Hey, this is Blake at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some common questions we get about our 12-inch Hayabusa Swingarm Extensions. This will cover all years from 1999 all the way up to 2023. Alright, so this is the 9 to 12-inch kit, which is the longer kit that we offer. We do offer 4.5 to 9. This is the 9 to 12. So we offer two different finishes. We got raw aluminum here. We got black powder coated. You can get it with or without the Hayabusa engraving. Just some basic parts to go over. For our Gen 1 users, it's 99 to 07. Well, this is what's going to hold your brake caliper from keeping it from sliding or rocking back and forth. It literally just rests on top of this once you get them installed. Caliper slides into here and bolts on right there. For Gen 2, for 08 and up, this is actually just like the 4.5 to 9-inch kit. It acts as your retainer cap, so it bolts in right there when you bolt the swing arm on. Caliper slides right in here. These are lifetime warranty on everything we have. They're all completely American made from 6061 aircraft grade aluminum. We're opting for the full kit. We got two choices of chain. This is your basic standard chain if you're just riding on the street. This is our upgraded EK chain. It's a couple thousand pounds more tensile strength, and it's really more built for if you're drag racing pretty often on the drag strip. And then obviously over here is your brake line color choices.